Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add motion blur on Capcut PC. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. You can use your Google, your TikTok account, your Facebook, your Capcut mobile, and you're good to go. Okay, so once you're here on the Capcut platform, I downloaded the Capcut for Windows or for your computer or for a PC. For example, I wanted to put a motion blur on this section right here. So all I'm gonna do is hover to your upper right corner where it says basic, and from here all I have to do is simply, now you should be able to see an option that says blur. All right, and all I gotta do is drag the motion blur to the section that you wanted to see the effects with. Now there's also another option wherein if you wanted a different kind of blur like a motion blur, all I'm gonna do is go to animation right here and click this option. As you can see, it's kind of a motion blur, a different effects that you can add here in Capcut PC. Now as you notice, motion blur can smooth out transition between clips, making them appear more fluid and professional, because adding motion blur to fast-moving objects can make the movement appear more natural and realistic, as it mimics the way our eyes perceive motion in real life. That's why I've shown you two ways to add motion blur, and the one is very effective, which is the motion blur for moving objects. Now, it is used mostly in films to create a cinematic look. It can add a layer of sophistication and polish to your videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.